Hello friends, I am Champion Mahipal. Today we are going to learn about exception in Java. Okay, so in Java we have created many classes to handle the exception. But first of all, we should know what is exception. So exception is the unwanted result at the time of execution. Let us suppose you have tell the user to enter two values, and in the backside you are dividing these two values, and the user enter 0 as a divisor. Then what will happen? It will cause exception because there is no proper result for this division, because if we divide any number by the 0, it will give not defined result, so it will cause exception. Okay, so exception come at the runtime. It is the, we can say, it is the unwanted result or unexpected result which we are not expecting from our program. Okay, so to handle the exception we need try catch block. We we will learn about this in our next lecture. But for handling the exception, Java has provided us different classes to handle different types of exceptions. So the main class which handles all the exception is exception class. And for the exception class not found, if there is no class and we are executing the program with that name, then it will give class not found exception, file not found exception. If file is not found, then it will give file not found exception. Arithmetic exception, like we want to divide any number by 0, then it will give arithmetic exception. Null pointer exception means the value to any pointer is not given. Okay, IO exception at the time of input or output is called IO exception. Array index out of bound exception. Let us suppose we have created array of 5, size 5, and we are trying to uh, put the sixth element. Then what it will do? It will throw the exception. What type of exception? Array index out of bound, means it is not in the bound of the array. String index out of bound, similar to array index out of bound. Then interrupted exception, if there is any interrupt, then it will give interrupted exception. Then number format related to the numbers, stack overflow exception. These are the some classes which are created or given by the Java to us for handling the exception. Okay, so we will learn about further in our next lecture about the exception. Thank you very much.